Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to code Laguerre polynomials in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've got some sort of unknown function that you would like to approximate using the Laguerre polynomials. So I'll be showing you how to do this in Mathematica, how to code Laguerre polynomials in Mathematica. And yeah, check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I've just zoomed in a bit so it's easier to see the code. And Mathematica obviously has a function for the Laguerre polynomials. It's called Laguerre L, like this. So you're going to type that and then you're going to put in a pair of square brackets. And then inside the square brackets, your first entry is going to be the degree of the polynomial. So that's going to be n, which is any integer. And then the next entry is going to be the polynomial's independent variable, so I'm just letting that be x. And that's basically it. This is not for the associated Laguerre equation though. So for the associated Laguerre equation, the second input in this function will actually be m, which has to be any integer that is greater than -1. And then the third input will be x, which is obviously the independent variable of the polynomials. And then you just give n and m whatever values that you would like of integers that are allowed. And that is basically it. If you wanted to know how to code Laguerre polynomials in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.